Severe thunderstorm warning.
Highs in the mid-70s. Chance of showers 50%. Again, the forecast for the Twin Cities metropolitan area for today: rain showers likely late in the morning. Chance of thunderstorms in the late morning and afternoon. Rain showers early in the afternoon. Highs in the mid-60s. Temperatures falling into the mid-40s in the afternoon. South winds 10 to 15 miles an hour, shifting to the northwest 15 to 20 miles an hour in the afternoon. Chance of precipitation 90%. At 9 a.m. in the Twin Cities, it was partly... The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Dakota County, northeastern Rice County, northwestern Goodhue County, and southeastern Minnesota until 10:15 a.m. At 9:36 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Nurston, or near Northfield, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include dollar-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near Northfield around 9:40 a.m. Stanton around 9:45 a.m.
There was a lot of thunder like 20 minutes ago, and it sounded like it was coming from south, which is where the storm is right now. Dakota County is in that direction from me.
Include Lake Billsby and Meesville. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing large hail. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:15 a.m. for the following counties in Minnesota, Dakota, Goodhue, and